Welcome to China Tanfon. Are you a factory owner, a hotel owner, or a farm owner? Are you also looking for this 250 kilowatt hybrid solar system, which consists of 440 pieces solar panels? The daily power generation is 1,320 kilowatt hours. This is the 250 kilowatt MPPT built-in, and here is the 250 kilowatt hybrid inverter, which can take the 250 kilowatts the loads. This is the lithium battery. The capacity is 500 kilowatt hours, which can work 8 to 10 hours. The solar panel installation is 1,320 square meters. The inverter and the lithium battery installation area is 15 square meters. This 250 kilowatt hybrid solar system, it is very suitable to use in the hotel, farm, and factory. If you also have the solar project, welcome to contact us. We will give you the one-stop service. Choose Tanfon Solar, safe, durable, more saving.